We get a lot of strange boxes, products. They show up here at the studio. It's Willie Doo that you could blame for most of the time. It could be very surprising.
Oh, yeah.
At times. This is one of those moments. I know that we've got some sneakers in here. Now, on this channel, I featured many different types of sneakers, in fact. Usually some high-tech stuff. We had the self-lacing Nikes once upon a time. We had the 3D printed soles on
Adidas.
The Adidas Future Craft.
Yeah.
But nothing, absolutely nothing like this in front of me right now. Walk on water. You spin it around to the side. You have Nike Air Max 97, but this is not your typical sneaker sticker. As you can tell, you examine the barcode, you look at the specifications, and you're like, my goodness, this is something different. This is something special. And in the fourth watch of the night, he came to them, walking on the sea. Matthew 14:25. We've got some scripture involvement here. Whoa. That's got some... The Air Max chamber has been filled with water. Is this just for looks? Is it for the wow factor? Or do we actually have a technological improvement here, like a waterbed or something? Is this going to improve the performance of the Air Max 97?
Well, I was just looking into it. Apparently, the water was originally sourced from the River Jordan. And then it was blessed.
All the way from Jordan into the Air Max 97. Walk on water. Contains 60 cc holy water, source the River Jordan, artificial coloring. I was going to say, that water is looking a little blue. So they amped it up a touch. Did they give us a price on this sneaker?
Yeah, it's around $1,400 US.
Yeah, $1,400 USD. $1,425. Exactly. Yes. Something tells me they could be worth even more on the secondary market because they're super rare. Will, I don't think you walk into a Foot Locker and pick this up.
No, only 15 available.
100% wool frankincense. Whoa, there's instructions here on how to destroy the shoes. Whoa. Oh, there's water on the inside of the box too. There's a lot of thought went into this. These things are absolutely wild. I mean, I've never seen anything like it, obviously. It should be obvious at this point. Mischief, INRI logo on the inside there, as well as the matching droplet in the same color red. They definitely look cool. Give them that. See, I'm trying to figure out right now, is this a collab? Like, my guess is that Nike has nothing to do with this. If this was manufactured with the water inside of the sole, or it was somehow inserted after the fact into a pre-existing pair, is the product just a modified Air Max 97, or is it from the ground up? Did I just try them on now? Is that, yeah, okay. Made in Vietnam. 12/05/18, 02/26/19. What? It smells like a sneaker. Ooh. I don't think that's a performance play there, Will. I don't think we're looking at improved track times in 100 meter with the water instead of air situation. I think what we're dealing with here is more of an impact piece from the visual standpoint, that you're going to turn some heads when you're walking around and people are like, is that water in your Air Max? Because that's not a thing that's been seen before as far as I could tell. It's like it belongs in a museum or something. That's pretty wild. I don't know if it'll ever happen again. You never know what's gonna show up here. That's the lesson of the day. And if you've always wanted to walk on water, this is pretty much as close as you're gonna get.